Wylo is an all-in-one super customizable community platform for brands and creators. But there are just so many platforms to host your community.
So you might ask, why do you want to choose Wylo?
Well, the answer is simple. Wylo is user-friendly and most importantly, super customizable. So customizable that you can choose the exact features you want for your community and just start with it. Isn't it cool? Think about this. Are you a creator who just wants to sell your digital products and engage with your audience over a chat? You can do it. Or are you a brand that just wants to engage your customers by hosting events and by driving discussions over a forum? You can do that as well. And let me tell you a top secret. With Wylo, you can create 50 plus different kinds of communities. And the best part, you just have to pay for what you choose. So intrigued? Kickstart your community in your branding now with Wylo.